Want to know how to quickly turn the two photos on the left of the video into the father and son portrait on the right? In this video I'll walk you through a few steps using Google Gemini to generate a high-quality father-son photo. The prompt has been posted in the comments, copy it and use it. Let's get started. First, use a free AI background remover to remove the photo background so Gemini can recognize the images more accurately. Search Google for Pixpretty background remover or click the short link in the comments, then drag your two prepared photos into the box and wait for the background to be removed automatically. Isn't the result great? Next, search for Gemini in the search bar. At the top of the page you'll see Google Gemini. Click to enter. Then copy the prompt from the comments into the chat box, and drag your prepared two-person photos into the chat box. Click Submit to generate. The prompt and the free one-click background remover link are both posted in the comments. Copy them into Gemini to quickly achieve cinematic quality results. See you in the next video.